For over 6,000 years, Egypt has defined the art of construction, a magnificent legacy born in the pre-dynastic era and preserved through generations. Today, Singer stands as the ultimate evolution of this heritage, transforming ancient craftsmanship into a global industrial powerhouse. Spanning a massive 75,000 square meters, we represent the modern pinnacle of this historic trade, operating the only fully automated facility in the region among hundreds of traditional factories. By merging our deep roots with cutting-edge French, Italian, and Greek technologies, we ensure every stage, from clay processing to automated pallet loading, occurs with zero human intervention. We don't just make bricks, we provide precision-engineered solutions that meet the world's most rigorous ASTM and European standards. Our strength is reflected in solid fundamentals. With 500 million EGP in assets and annual sales reaching 400 million EGP, Singer leads Egypt's automated brick manufacturing sector. Looking ahead to 2027, we're targeting a strategic doubling of capital and sales to 800 million EGP while expanding our total market share from 3% to 7%. Powered by fully automated CMA control systems, our products comply with ASTM and EN standards. Singer solutions reduce mortar usage by 50%, lower structural costs by 10%, and withstand temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. We build for a century.
Reliability is our foundation. Singer is the trusted strategic partner for over 90% of the region's elite real estate developers. Leading names such as Hassan Allam, Arab Contractors, Orascom, TMG, Mountain View, and Palm Hills rely on us to provide the core materials for iconic mega projects.
From our fully automated facility to the world, adhering to international ASTM and European standards, we are engineered for export, delivering Egyptian manufacturing excellence to global markets. Singer stands for stability, scale, and long-term strategic growth. Moving confidently toward 2027, new opportunities for innovation and expansion take shape. Together, we build better, smarter, and faster, creating mutual sustainable value. Singer, engineering the future, scaling with confidence.